Stop throwing away pineapple peels. A very few people know about this big secret. And once you find out why, you will thank me for it. So don't skip any second of this video. Pineapple peel is super anti-inflammatory and you always throw it away, without knowing its benefit to your body. Today I'm going to share the benefits of the peel and how to prepare a tea from them correctly. But first please subscribe this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and kindly insisting you to like, comment and share this video to the people you love. Okay, tell me through the comment on which city you are watching us in. The pineapple peel has 38% more vitamin C than the pulp. This high nutritional property is characteristic of the peels, seeds, leaves, and stems. However, many people still have the habit of peeling the unconventional parts of fruits and vegetables. A pineapple is a fruit full of benefits, due to a lot of vitamin C in addition to a bromelain. Because of this, it helps prevent bloating and constipation. Besides being rich in carbohydrate, fiber and vitamin C, A and B complex, pineapple also contains minerals such as calcium, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, potassium, sodium and zinc. Maybe you don't know to what extent the pineapple peel can also be very nutritious. It has in its composition a bromelain, an important enzyme, which has an anti-inflammatory and antiarterial that combats edema and has the function of acting in the digestive process aiding digestion. It strengthens the immune system, that prevents aging and among other benefits. There are some ways to consume the pineapple peel, such as in recipes for cake jelly or juices. But it is important to know that the most indicated option is to make tea from the peel. With the tea, we take better advantage of the nutritional properties of this fruit, besides preserving them. Let's now prepare our tea and note everything down. I will teach you how to prepare pineapple peel tea. First you have to choose the pineapple. It needs to be ripe with an orange rind and a sweet-smelling fruit smell. Bring 1 to 1.3 liters of water to a pot. Meanwhile, chop the peels of a small pineapple into small pieces. If your pineapple is large, you can use half of the peel. Turn off the heat and add the pineapple peel, cover the pot and let it infuses for 15 to 25 minutes. Then you can straighten it and enjoy the benefits of your tea. There is no need to sweeten it, because it is very sweet and tastes like pineapple. If you prefer, you can add ginger or chance to potentiate at the anti-inflammatory power of pineapple, cloves or even cinnamon powder. Further increase the benefits after straining, you can keep it in a glass container in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours, before consuming. This tea is diuretic and aids in weight loss, improves immunity, aids digestion, improves skin health and vision. Helps relieve the symptoms of arthritis, as antioxidant action and promote bone health. The pineapple peel tea is not indicated for people suffering from high blood pressure, pregnant and lactating women. People with stomach problems should also avoid its consumption. A pineapple is an acidic fruit, so it should be consumed in moderation. Now tell me, is this tea deserves to be shared with the people you love? Kindly insisting you to like, comment and share this video to the people you love. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell. Then visit our channel, there's so many healthful and beautiful videos to learn from. Thank you to everyone who has watched it so far. I had to you all and see you in the next video. God bless you as usual, bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. Get in touch with us by subscribing this channel. Turn on the notification bell below. Then like and share our videos to others, as many times as you can. Don't forget to visit our channel to watch more health videos. We are best natural remedy. Get ready for the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.
Subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends and family.